Hello, who do we have here?
Hi, this is Ankita from Crave Bake.
Hi, Ankita. What are you going to bake right now? What are you going to bake right now?
We'll be baking Geo Hearts Cakesicle today.
Oh my god. Can we join you? Can we join you as you bake and ask you 33 questions while you're doing that?
Of course, I'll be so happy to do that.
Okay, yay!
Okay.
So, what exactly are we going to make today? Because that looks really interesting.
We'll be dusting the cakesicles with metallic gold color, and let's see how the outcome is, and we can start.
All right.
Okay, Ankita, who personally inspired you to begin baking as a business?
That will be my neighbor. So she ordered cakes for me, and that really motivated me. So I started the cake.
And if you had to describe your business journey in 3 words, what would they be?
Overwhelming, fulfilling, and a little tiring.
Nice. And if you had to describe your baking journey in 3 words, what would that be?
I think it will be the same 3 words. It is actually overwhelming, and it makes me very happy, and it makes me very satisfied.
All right. And what's your favorite thing to bake for anyone?
Chocolate ganache cakes, all-time favorite.
Ooh, sounds so yum.
This or that. Do you like bento cakes or normal ones?
Normal cakes. I am not a bento person. It requires a lot of precision and neatness. I love normal cakes.
Controversial opinion, but okay. And what's the best compliment you've received for your baking?
You just give us reasons to celebrate occasions because your cakes are so yummy.
Oh, that's so nice.
So sweet.
What's one song you find yourself listening to or humming along to while you bake?
तू सब्र तो कर मेरी जान, पास तो ले दिलदार, तू फिक्र में. Basically, Hole Hole. I don't know why I'm hooked to that song. Lately, I just keep on singing it.
It's a very groovy song. I can't blame you. And what's one of the new reel songs you've been obsessed with recently?
Oh God, it's Let Me Be Your Woman. I just keep on dancing to that song
Doja
the entire
Cat
day.
Doja Cat Power.
Okay, what other hobbies do you have besides baking?
I am a Bharatanatyam dancer, and I like cooking also. So yeah, just that.
Okay. The cakesicle seems to be coming together really well now. So where have we reached? What have you done till now?
Yes, so I just applied the gold dust powder here, and now I'll be putting my melted chocolate, and I'll be keeping it in the fridge for like 5 minutes, and then I'll be showing you how to make the cakesicle batter, the filling which goes inside cakesicles.
Nice. Real fancy with the hearts and the gold and everything.
So I have coated the Geo Hearts mold with chocolate, and I'm going to refrigerate it for like 5 to 10 minutes till it becomes hard. And by the time we can prepare the cakesicle dough, it's super simple and super fun to make. So I'll be back in 5 minutes.
Yeah. Sounds super fun and interesting. Okay. We're back.
Hi. Okay, so this is the cake sponge, and I'll be just crumbling it like this.
All right.
And I'll be pouring ganache into it, and I'll mix it together. I'll incorporate it basically. So yeah, that's it. That is our cakesicle batter. It is that simple, and you know, whenever you are like craving for some good ganache and chocolate and cake mixture, you can definitely go for this recipe. This recipe is like really delicious and it's really very simple.
Everyone's had those Starbucks everyone's had a cakesicle or a cake pop. Right? Like if you haven't, you're missing out. But yeah. So Ankita, what is the story behind this cake?
Okay, so I was very nervous while making this cake because honestly, I am not very good with paintings or drawing, but I really wanted to try it. I saw it on a baking page on Sugar Plum Bakery, and I really wanted to try it. And the baker which I have made my remix reel with here, she's one of my favorite bakers, and you should really watch her reels. She's very cute and she's very fun. And that
like
is
you.
it. It was my first.
And okay, so what I've realized is that you're a big creative. So what was the story behind this one?
So this is like a big trend during Ganpati festival, this modak cake, and I wanted to make this since like a year, like in 2020 when I saw this cake, I just didn't have the confidence to do it. But and luckily I got an order for this cake, and it just turned out so well. It was so difficult to give it away, and my mom liked it so much. She said, "Yeah, this is just like one of the cakes which we dream about," and she was so happy with the outcome of this cake. And it was really hard to send this cake to the customer, but I'm really happy the customer liked it.
Oh,
now we wish that we would have this cake. We want to have it.
Yeah.
Exactly. You should have my rasmalai cake. It is one of my best sellers. You should really try that.
How long did it take you to make that design?
This modak cake?
Yeah.
It took me around 3 to 4 hours to complete the whole.
I didn't even study for that. Okay, and what is the most annoying thing about customers?
Bargaining. The most, because
How do you deal with it? How do you deal with that?
I tell them what they are giving me the money for. I mean, what they are paying for. I just tell them the quality of the ingredients and stuff, and then they realize sometimes they understand, sometimes they don't. So even I have to compromise.
Can you tell us 2 marketing tips which helped you when you were starting out?
First was word of mouth, and I started literally like with 7 to 8 customers, and now I have like more than 40 customers. So all you just, I mean, thank you. So basically I just told them कि आपको चाहिए होगा वापस, so please call करना. And also I tell them to post stories on Instagram, because Instagram is like a big social media tool right now. So basic reels and posting stories to cut it down.
Right. What do you think is your biggest strength in this field?
In my small business, my parents, my family helped me a lot, and I don't think what I'll do without them, because I'm like the sole owner of this whole thing, and it is really difficult to manage the whole business. So my family.
Sure. Yeah.
And how do you manage school and business together? Like, what are your 3 or like 4 things which you like could not do without, like you couldn't manage these 2 without?
Okay, I just completed my graduation, and I did take orders. I used to study in the night and take orders in the day. So that's how it was a stressful week, but it was worth it.
So don't sleep. That's the
become a zombie.
Yeah.
We very like congratulations on like graduating.
Our generation is anyway very sleep deprived, so
yeah.
True.
Okay. Would you rather never taste again or never be able to cook again?
Okay, this is very selfish, but I'll never cook again because I'm a foodie and I need food.
Yeah. No, you're forgiven. That's okay. Yeah.
Yeah. And like you could always give the argument that baking is not exactly cooking. So it's a different. But okay, would you rather never decorate a cake or do like the little extra decoration for every single cake you bake?
The extra decoration. I like decorating cakes, and it's not my thing.
All right. So basically, she wants to be a zombie.
Yeah.
She wants to.
Yes, she wants. What's the newest addition to your menu? To your cake?
It is actually coming up on my page real soon. It is motichur rabdi parfait. So this is,
yum.
yeah, I'm very excited to launch it.
Yeah.
It is like a big launch for Diwali.
Nice.
Stay tuned.
Okay, buttercream or ganache?
Ganache, any day.
Speaking of ganache, how's our ganache coming along? How are our hearts coming along?
Yes, so this is our batter, ganache and cake sponge. So I'll just get my cakesicle molds and then I'll show you the end thing, how to end it.
Welcome back, part 2.
Welcome back. Okay. What's the weirdest cake design you've made till now?
There was this bachelorette cake where there were 2 fondant figurines inside a blanket, and you know how a bachelorette cake is. So yeah, that was the weirdest cake.
That's right.
Well,
Okay.
Yes. And what's your favorite ingredient to bake with?
My favorite food ingredient. It has to be cocoa powder, chocolate. I really like chocolate, and I really enjoy
Coffee for the
making chocolate.
win. Yep.
And do you have a least favorite? Least favorite ingredient?
So there are these sugar printed papers. Like if you would have
on like birthday party cake.
Wait, really? I don't know about this. But yeah, okay.
It was like picture cakes. Of
All
right.
right.
I got papers.
I got
really
it.
tough to work with.
All right. And what's a business mantra you believe in?
I don't think if everyone should believe in this, but if you are a small business owner, you should always go out of the way for your customers and make them feel valued and make them feel important. So they'll come back to you.
That's a good mantra to live by.
Yeah. What's a baking mantra you believe in?
Never compromise on quality and always give the customers what they're paying for.
Yep. And in your experience, which is the city, maybe in India, maybe abroad, which offers the best desserts?
It has to be Paris. I have heard a lot from my friends who have visited there. I want to go someday there, so it has to be Paris.
Okay. Who is your baking idol?
There are a lot, but one of them is Indulgence by Devi. This is her Insta handle, Devi Kumar. She's really good at her work and she's very, very hardworking. I really like her. I want to be like her someday.
So why baking? Why not something else?
I've always liked baking and making people happy, and because anyway, after sleep, I think food is the main necessity of people. And if you like, for many people, it's like, give me good food and my mood is very nice. So I really like to make people happy by giving them good desserts and making them fat.
Where do you see yourself in the next 2 years?
I see myself baking with a huge customer base and probably a lot more followers on Instagram.
Yeah, she's gonna be a baking influencer.
Yeah.
And how is that cakesicle coming along?
So we are almost done with this. I have coated it with melted chocolate, and again I have to refrigerate it.
Oh, okay.
Okay, and last, our 33rd question. Before you go, put that in the refrigerator. Will you please send those to us once you're done?
Yep, we are dying to have it. It looks so yummy.
Yeah.
Just send me your location and this is yours. Trust me, you'll like it.
Thank you. This was great.
Yep, this is great. Thank you so much. And we'll be waiting for that cake.
Yeah, thank you so much for your time. We will share this recipe with everyone and we'll be sure to try it out ourselves.